Greetings, YouTubies. Welcome to my channel, African's Journey. Join me as I take on life's wonderful journeys and ventures, all in the name of exploring, learning, and connecting with various aspects that bring forth new experience. I can't wait! Ashe all day. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button. Thanks for stopping by. One love. Hey YouTubies, it's Kimora here, out in Montreal. And for my Montreal YouTubers and subscribers, today I'm going out on a nature walk to my secret hiding place. And I would love for you to come along to my secret spot in Montreal. And join me as I take a beautiful nature walk. But first, I gotta grab me a bite to eat at my favorite spot. Okay, no, not my favorite spot, but it's a very good spot for those who are vegan or vegetarian. So, come along with me and enjoy! It's the freshness for me. All right, so I finally got my meal and I'm going to go on to my destination, to my secret location. Here I am, guys. I love coming out here because there's nobody. I mean, I love people, but sometimes you just need me time, some alone time. And today was the right time. So yes, it is so beautiful out here. And definitely a nice place to come and have a little picnic, a little romantic thing with you and your bae. Wow, this is a nice spot. No, I don't have a bae, but this would be a nice spot where I would take him and have a nice picnic. So here's one of the views I love, like absolutely love about this place. Let's see, feast your eyes on this. This is nice. And one of the things I love about coming out here, not just for the serenity and tranquility, but because it allows me to get peace of mind. And I just love it. I could bring a book here and read. I could come here just to relieve any stresses I have. It's definitely a beautiful place to come. Just to be in this space. So tranquil and peaceful. I just love it here. Oh, I just love it here. But y'all, there's more to this space, and if you want to come along, come and join me and I'll show you some more.
And here is another beautiful view. Here's another spot where I can come and just ease my mind and have some more me time and just look into the view. I mean, look at view though. Yeah, this is amazing. Nice, and it's very intimate. You know, they got, you can call them a large stone that you can sit on if you wish. Definitely come to this spot and have some bonfires. You know, if you're the type of campy person, this is a good spot to come and just bring your crew, you know? Do your little barbecue, whatever you want. And in the center is where you will definitely do your thing. Okay. Well, this is an excellent spot. But this is not the only spot. There's another spot. So let's keep going. Guys, finally made it. Whew. Are you ready to see the most spectacular view Montreal has to offer? Let's go. This view is giving. This view is nice. I mean, this place offers the best view of Montreal, and it's so tranquil. And why? Once again, nobody's here. I mean, you have your 1-2 people, but nobody's here. Oh, wasn't that spectacular? Walk all this way just to see this view. I mean, it's fully worth it, especially when it's fall, summer. The view, the fall colors during autumn, I mean, it's amazing. And here we are. It's the second day of fall. Leaves haven't fully turned yet, but imagine what it looks like. All right, so if you can guess my exact location, you could win this.
A tan leather woman's satchel, shoulder bag, and handbag from Guess. With a double compartment, interior zip pocket, 2 card slots, and center zip compartment. Check that out.
In order for you to be eligible, you have to be subscribed to my channel, comment down below with 2 other YouTubers. Also, you have to guess the right location. That's right. You guess right, you win a Guess bag, handbag. If you don't want it, maybe you could give it to an aunt, you could give it to your girlfriend, you could give it to someone else who would like to have a handbag, a Guess handbag. All right? So, don't forget, comment, subscribe, and tag 2 other friends. Good luck! So I am nearing the end of my nature walk, and it's always good to get out, and spend some quality time with yourself. And nature walk is one of the ways that I like to release any tension, get some serenity, tranquility. And you know what? I'm an earth sign, baby. Yep, I'm the Virgo. So I have to get in touch with nature. So breathing some fresh air in nature is one of the things I love to do. So if I get the time, I'll definitely do it, especially when everyone's at work and I have a day off. I'm going to take advantage of spending some quality time in nature. So I hope you really enjoy the video. So don't forget to comment, subscribe, and if you want to be the lucky winner of a guest handbag, you may not want it, but somebody might. Just have to guess my correct location and you would be the winner. So you have until October 10th, 12 p.m. to be the first one with the correct guess, and you would win the guess handbag. Get it? Guess. Okay, so good luck and ciao for now until my next video. Mwah.